Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video, and you know I got my boy Calvin here. We wearing our, you should hit that on Instagram. They say I never rocked them on my YouTube channel Instagram. So there you go. I'll put the description in the link below. But today we're gonna put Project Mark 7 on a dyno. Now, before we get on the dyno, I need to discuss with you guys a major aspect of confusion on my channel. I'm going to quickly really talk about tunes. As you guys known from when I went to stage 2 initially with this car, I did what is called a off-the-shelf map. Now, when you buy an Accessport, Cobb offers stage 1 maps for 91 and 93, stage 2 for the same fuels, and stage 3. Obviously, depending on the person who's doing the tune, it's certain parts that you have to add on your car. I didn't want to do that. I know I wanted something a little bit more aggressive than Cobb off-the-shelf maps. They're very safe. They're good for the car. It wasn't bad, but I just wanted something a little different. So what I did was I actually reached out to MAPerformance, and that's how our relationship started with, the downpipes and everything else, because they made really good parts for this car. So what I did was I reached out to MAPerformance. They make a stage 1 and a stage 2 off-the-shelf map. They also make an E30 map for this car as well. And they did absolutely a fantastic job with the map. However, it is an off-the-shelf map, meaning that I wanted something that will show the true potential of this car in the best ways possible. So what I did was I went what is called with a ProTune. So this is where the confusion came to people, because of the fact that how you have the pops and bangs on the off-the-shelf maps. Does Cobb offer that? I know I had a lot of questions about that. I'm sorry I wasn't able to get to those questions, to answer those questions, but I'm answering that question now. No, Cobb does not offer pops and bangs on their off-the-shelf map. 5150 is the company that tuned my car. Shout out to John. John is the actual tuner out in California. He works on these things and tunes these things all day, Golf Rs and GTIs. So if you have a Cobb Accessport and you want a ProTune with performance mods, you want to see really good promising numbers, 5150, hit up John. I'll put the description in the link in the description below where you can reach John at. But what I wanted to do today is that we're finally done with everything. When you do a ProTune, you have to send revisions. You have to drive the car aggressively. Third gear, 2,500 RPMs, go all the way to redline, save that data log from the Cobb Accessport, send it to the tuner, and then he takes the tune, revises it, sends you a new file. You do the same thing. So you go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until the whole process is done. Due to the holidays, I did that around November, December. So it took us a little bit, but normally it would probably take him about a couple weeks to really fine tune everything. He does a really good job. All of a sudden, when I went to like the second to last tune, basically I don't know what he did, but it was like this crazy punch. And he's like, "You want the juice?" I'm like, "I want the juice." And he's like, "Here's the file, run it." And I was like, "Oh my God." And he told me, "Jay, your tune is finally done. I want you to see I want to see the numbers on the dyno." Now, he didn't tell me specific numbers or what it's supposed to run. My goal, I really want to be in the 330, 350 horsepower range. That's why we're putting this on the dyno today. But what I want to do with you guys right now, I'm going to stop talking. It's been 3 minutes already. What we're going to do, I just wanted to give you a quick explanation of the tune situation, of the reasoning of why I'm going on the dyno today. So it's been a few months since I've tuned it. The ProTune is fully done. Everything in the description below of all the modifications I have done to get to this point. I am not running E85 in the car. I did that, it was okay, but it just wasn't cost effective for me because E85 burns faster than 93. So even the blends, like literally I filled up like 3 times in 1 week. It's absolutely crazy. But when I'm on a track, obviously I want to run a cooler fuel. So we'll probably tune it for E85 in the future, but for now we're not going to tune it. But this is on 93 octane. We're going to do 2 pulls today, and I think it's a limitless auto body, in Hempstead, Long Island. So without further ado, let's go. We're at Limitless Performance at Hempstead with a couple people from the Stahc team. They made us park our cars all the way over there. See how lonely cars all the way over there? But your boy's number 3, gonna be number 3 on the dyno. Got a 335 first, this 335 right here that's gonna run. He's got some secret sauce and some exhaust mods and tune, obviously. So I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous how this is gonna turn out. I was a little nervous when I left the house. Now I'm really nervous now. But should be all right. It's a dyno jet. It's right there. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Yo, Calvin, what numbers you think this thing's gonna make? 344. 344. All right, what do you think? What do you think it's gonna? What do you think?
I'm right where he is.
Yeah,
I think it's 350.
That's my goal, the 350. I'm really scared. I don't think it's gonna get to 350, but I built that in my head already. Torque, I want 380, 390.
I agree.
It pulls hard, so I'm like, and today it felt really good. So I don't know. We gotta see. It's a little noisy out here, so what I'm also gonna do for you guys, I'm also gonna put a GoPro in the car as they're dynoing it. So, and I'm gonna do outside shots and inside shots with the GoPro here, so you guys can really see everything that goes on. So, I'm praying that I get good numbers. I think it's a nice 60-degree day. It's windy. It's not too hot. They have fans here, but it's really windy outside, so it's a really good temperature. The dyno's on the outside, which you get really true ambient temperature, which is good. So, and I drove the car here, and it pulled nicely today. So, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Project GTI. I hope I didn't invest these parts for nothing. But let's go. All right, so this Q50 3.0T, not the red sport, the one right underneath it, the next 300 horsepower, made 318 to the wheel. And it's my turn now, so I'm so nervous. He's having a great time because he's not running his car in the dyno. He knows this shit's gonna break.
My car's gonna break. My car's always broken.
So
I barely made it here from himself.
So he's gonna take that off, and after all this work, Project Mark 7 is gonna finally see some numbers. So I want to be that guy that makes like 350 wheel, and it was like, oh shit, move GTI, but I'm probably not gonna get that. Not the seeing what I'm seeing today. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So they're gonna move my car in now. I gotta get the GoPro set up. So you're gonna get two angles. You're gonna get one on the outside. You're gonna get one of them doing pulls on the inside. So all the runs. So they're doing 2 runs with the car. I'm gonna try to finagle them to do 3. I really want 2. I really want 3 runs because I can adjust different things. So let's see if they allow me to do that. They may not allow me to do that because there's a lot of people wanting to run today. But they're gonna get my car now, and let's see. I'm nervous as hell. All right, so I'm already low. People already recognize the car from the channel. It's already like people already know about it. Oh my god! Wait, did they turn the car off? So, here now. Oh, this shit's about to get. How this shit's about to happen? Hopefully we make good numbers today. Yes. There we go. Third gear. No. Third gear. Okay. What year's your Golf R? 2016. Okay, so it should be an H revision.
It's full bolt on JB4. Some guys know that, right? So I'm going 400, but I'm not with 380.
Let's see it. Send the pistons through the line. What is he stopping at? 6,000? No, he's going to red line. He's bouncing off the red limiter. So
Something you want to tell us?
that's not right at all.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'll do one more, maybe the fun is to be warm up. That's the last one, right?
No, you got it. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, saying it made 216 horsepower. That's the stock power. It's making full boost at 28 pounds. There's no way it's possible. Come on, bro. Right, really? 50 horsepower? Nah. 50 horsepower. My car makes 50 horsepower. 50 horsepower. Nah. Made 231 on the first pull. 216 on the second pull. And 50 on the third. Right now, okay, so this is why I said I was nervous. So, first pull 231. I was gonna let the comments speak for themselves. So, 298 torque. Third pull was 50 horsepower, 29 torque, and the last pull was 214 and 202 torque. Bruh.
Ready?
All right. There's gonna be another video with this because this is what horsepower that it made on the 3 pulls. The first pull was 231 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 278 pound-feet of torque, right? At 3,900 RPM. Then the second pull, he said, yo, you gotta do it in 4th gear. That was a 3rd gear pull. We did it in 4th. It made 216.8 at 6,700 RPM. And max torque was 198 torque at 4,700 RPM. The 3rd pull, also done in 4th gear, was 50.9 and 29 pound-feet. And the 4th pull was 214.3 horsepower at 6,300 RPM. And max torque was at 202.6. As you guys can see, even with the RPM number of max torque and max horsepower, they're all over the place. It's not consistent. 63, 67, 5,500, and the torque it's 4,800, 4,739. Okay, maybe the torque RPMs are kind of somewhat consistent, but a torque curve should run slightly the same on all 3 poles, and this is actually not right. So what I'm going to do, and I'm pissed. I'm royally pissed. So what I'm going to do, I'm not leaving this out with you guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to go to another dyno during the week, so this way we can get some accurate numbers of what this makes. So I'm sorry, guys. Calvin's upset. I'm upset. People at the freaking place over here, if you guys can see, everyone that's standing over there is like, there's no way that car sounds like that and pulls like that and it made that horsepower. There's no way, and it's no offense to Civics, there's no way I'm running same horsepower as like NA Motor fully built Civics. There's no freaking way. So I'm gonna go to another dyno during the week and I'm gonna give you guys some accurate numbers. I didn't put all this work into this car to make 231 horsepower, which is less horsepower than what the car makes to the wheel stock. So that doesn't make sense. Matter of fact, let's start a little comment war. I want to hear what you guys think about these numbers from this company. I mean, it wasn't bad. I guess I get what I paid for. I paid $50 for 2 pulls. They did 4 because they knew the numbers weren't right. The numbers are not right. But I want to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please do. I'm very sorry, guys. I pulled hard right out of the place. There's no way that this car pulls the way it does at 200 horsepower. No way. So guys, leave it. I'm sorry about this, but it's the end of the video. But I will make another dyno video very soon. So stay tuned for more content on JR14. See, it's not all great in the car paradise. I'm pissed right now. I'm smiling because you guys are awesome. You guys been there for me, but I'm really upset. All right. Talk to you guys later. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. JR14, do it. We're going to get to 6,000K by June. So let's freaking do it. Talk to you guys later.